across parts of Northern Ireland, southern and eastern Scotland, northern England and Wales will tend to ease off over the next few hours, but precious little in the way of thawing. It's so cold out there. Many places will become dry for a time overnight, but then our attention is turned to the south. Rain again crossing the Channel. That will readily turn to snow across southern counties of England by tomorrow morning. Potentially yet more disruption. Elsewhere, a bitterly cold and very icy night to come. Now, the Met Office has now issued an early warning for the potential of more disruption, yes, across southern areas. Some uncertainty about the detail, but roughly from Exeter up through Swindon towards Northampton to the south and east of that. That means parts of the Cotswolds, the Downs, the Chilterns, and fringing into the London area could well be affected by several centimetres of new snow just in time for the rush hour. To the north and west of that, it's dry, yes, but cold, very, very icy. And further sleet and snow showers, and these will carry some clout across northern parts of Scotland, working their way inland, topping up the levels here. One or two of those snow showers just fringing down into the north coast of Northern Ireland, for example, and down into the Irish Sea, just flirting with northwestern parts of Wales. But a lot of dry weather through Wales, very cold, very icy temperatures widely at or below freezing. But let's concentrate on this snow because it's going nowhere fast. It's going to linger for much of the day across parts of East Anglia and down across the southeast. It might start off as rain in Kent, but I think by the end of the day there's every chance that it might start to turn to sleet or snow even here. The rest of the UK, drier and brighter, lots of sunshine, but no warmer. Temperatures again struggling to get much higher than 2 or 3 degrees, and still some wintry flurries across northern and western coasts and hills. Finally, the rain, sleet and snow does clear away from the far southeast as we go into tomorrow night. It'll be the early hours of Saturday before it finally stops raining or snowing across Kent. But elsewhere, it'll be a cold, frosty, and again, a very icy start to the weekend. Now, these are city centre values, but again, in rural areas, much, much colder than that. Does it get any warmer through the weekend? No, it doesn't. It stays very cold, but the good news is there'll be plenty of sunshine around. The risk of snow is still there. We'll keep you updated, but there should be some dry and bright weather at times through this weekend. You can keep updated, of course, on the potential disruption by